Hello everyone, welcome to my video resume. I am Sakib Ahmed Borshon. I am a software engineering student at Daffodil International University. Currently, I am in Model Town, Ashulia, Sabar, Dhaka. I have come from Bashail Upazila, which is situated in Tangail district. Growing up surrounded by nature and hardworking people. My educational journey started at Shohid Academic School and college. I have completed my ACC with GPA 4.94 at Shohid Academic School and Tangai. Later, I have completed my HSC from BF Shine College, Parkanchanpur with GPA 5. When I heard the name of Daffodil International University, I get fascinated every time. Currently, I am completing my 6th semester in Software Engineering department at Daffodil International University. At my first visit, I placed a lot when I see the nature of Daffodil International University and its green campus. Over the first few years, I have developed my solid skills in programming languages such as Python, Java, C++, and JavaScript. I enjoy the creating web applications using HTML. I am comfortable working with tools like Git, GitHub, and VS Code, and I have a good understanding of algorithms, data structure, and software development principle. I also explore areas like machine learning, cloud computing, and DevOps basics to stay updated with the latest technologies. I can communicate effectively in English and Hindi, and I am currently learning Japanese language to enhance my global communication skills. I am an active member of Data Science Club at Daffodil International University, where I have participated in events and seminars. My goal is to become a skilled and creative software engineer who can design, develop, and deliver efficient software solutions for real-world problems. I want to continuously improve my technical knowledge to develop and deliver efficient software solutions for real world and to young generation. I want to continuously improve my technical knowledge and stay updated with new technologies and work projects that challenge my problem solving and teamwork ethics. In the long run, I can aim to grow into a professional who contributes to building innovative systems and make the smarter and easier way of the tech journey. Beyond academics, I enjoy cooking and watching movies and series, which keeps me relaxed and creative. These hobbies teach me patience, strategy, and the ability to adapt qualities. And my most favorite hobby is writing, especially writing poems. I have to enjoy to writing poems. It's my greatest and special hobby. Now I am Sakib Ahmed Borshon, a learner, a dreamer, and a future software engineer, ready to grow, lead, and contribute to tech world. And I believe that every single day brings a new opportunity to explore, improve, and make something better. Thank you for watching my video resume.